Do you want to make the man himself 1eggs from Forsaken? Preferably his voice. Well, you've come to the right place. Yeah, here's the tutorial on how to make 1eggs. So you're gonna have to open up Audacity for this. You need to have Audacity. Yeah, and just record your audio. I'll record my audio off recording. I got my audio right here. So once you got your audio, do Control A, go to Effect, Pitch and Tempo, and change pitch. Now over here, you're gonna have to turn off high quality stretching if you have that on. If you have that off, just keep it off. And frequency should be percent change should be -35 over here, and yeah, just click apply.
My name is 1X, and I make the breakfast.
See, that kind of sounds like 1x. Now just export this. Alright, once you have that exported, you're gonna have to go to FL Studio. There is a free trial of FL Studio, so you don't have to worry about paying for it just for some voice lines. Now drag your audio file where you have it saved. Just drag your audio file in. I'm just gonna cut out all the silence.
My name is 1X, and I make the breakfast.
Alright. Now go install the plugin Kilohertz bitcrush. I have the site open right here. I'll also leave the link in the comments, in the pinned comment. Now, once you have that installed, load it up and turn the ADCQ all the way down so that there's some aliasing in the lower frequencies, and set it to 9.5 kilohertz. Set it to 9.5 kilohertz so that it doesn't sound too bitcrush, but it also doesn't sound too normal. And now here's the finished product.
My name is 1X, and I make the